So let me show you something with this oven. Actually, when you heat some water, you truly need to have a look on the coal monoxide. So, I hope it went. So that's number one. And now we wanted to do it the same with number two, because that goes faster. You won't believe how fast the alarm just kicks in. So that's on. So I think everyone knows this oven. It's perfect. I love it. The thing is only how fast the carbon monoxide actually increases. So we started with around 15 particles, and we just simply wait. So I'm not cutting the video, and you will see how fast that goes. And even if you see, it's closed, so I want to show you how dangerous it can be. So if you run this oven without a carbon monoxide detector, so far that drives the coal monoxide detector. Actually, it takes around 1.5 minutes. So I pause and I continue from there. Okay, I continue. It just increased already, coming to 36. You actually know that it's with 150 we reach the alarm, and I even if you open the hatch, that's actually not enough to just get the coal monoxide off. And you see, after 2 minutes we are at 58. And actually those are running. See something dropping. Okay, we are at 82 and we are at 1.5 minutes letting it run. Now we are at that somehow. What we see is the alarm goes off pretty soon. Seems like we bought sheep